Good morning friends. Today we will see the properties of DTFT. So already we discussed some properties. Now the remaining properties today we will discuss. So conjugate property. If the Fourier transform of x of n is x of e power j omega, then what is the Fourier transform of x of n whole star? Whole star means conjugate. We will see the proof. In general, the Fourier transform of any signal is summation n equal to minus infinity plus infinity, the given signal, and the e power minus j omega n. Now I am going to take this conjugate symbol whole star. That means like that I am going to take. So summation n equal to minus infinity plus infinity x of n e power. When you take the conjugate whole star, then e power minus j omega will become e power plus j omega n, because it is a complex, it is a real. So that's why whole star. When taking the conjugate as a whole star, then it will become e power plus j omega n. Now in general, this is not a x of e power j omega. So to convert this one x of e power j omega, I am going to write this one as a summation n equal to minus infinity plus infinity x of n e power minus j n into minus omega. Then this entire one will become capital X of e power minus j omega. Why I am taking minus j omega? The inside it is minus omega. Then whole power star. Star means conjugate. That equal to capital X star of e power minus j omega. This is the proof. Next proof, the modulation theorem. If Fourier transform of x of n is a capital X of e power j omega, then what is the Fourier transform of x of n is multiplied with cos omega naught n. This omega naught n is discrete. Omega naught is a constant, n is the discrete. We will see the proof. So the Fourier transform of any signal is summation n equal to minus infinity plus infinity, given signal e power minus j omega n. This is the formula. We studied in plus 1 plus 2 or 10th class max cos theta equal to e power I theta plus e power minus I theta by 2. The same way I am going to write cos omega naught n as a e power j omega naught n plus e power minus j omega naught n divided by 2. Now this 2 is the constant. Take this 2 outside, then send the summation and x of n inside and e power minus j omega n also inside. Then we will get a 1 by 2 outside. Summation n equal to minus infinity plus infinity x of n e power j omega naught n into e power minus j omega n. Again this symbol is a plus, as summation x of n e power minus j omega naught n into e power minus j omega n. Now the bases are equal, we can add the power. Here also bases are equal, we can add the power. The next step is 1 by 2 is outside, summation n equal to minus infinity plus infinity x of n e power minus j n. Always try to convert e power minus j n into, I am taking e power minus j n as a common, then omega minus omega naught. Here I am going to take again e power minus j n as a common factor, then omega plus omega naught. So this entire one is nothing but a capital X of e power j into omega minus omega naught plus capital X of e power j omega plus omega naught. This is the proof. Last theorem, linearity property. If Fourier transform of x1 of n is capital X1 of e power j omega and the Fourier transform of x2 of n is capital X2 of e power j omega, then what is the Fourier transform of a into x1 of n plus b into x2 of n, where a and b is the arbitrary constant. Proof. The Fourier transform of given signal is summation n equal to minus infinity plus infinity, given signal e power minus j omega n. Now send the summation symbol and e power minus j omega inside, we will get a summation n equal to minus infinity plus infinity a into x1 of n e power minus j omega n plus b into x2 of n e power minus j omega n. Now a is arbitrary constant, take it outside, then summation n equal to minus infinity plus infinity x1 of n e power minus j omega n. This is nothing but in general x of e power j omega, but this is x1 I given, that's why capital X1 of e power j omega plus b into capital X2 of e power j omega. So this is the proof. We'll see some problems on Fourier transform. In this problem they asked 4 questions, but the given x of n is in terms of the given graph, not in terms of sequence. So in x of n, the n started from -3 and end with +3. That means n value is available -3 to +3. They are asking first one, capital X of e power j omega j 0. That means if you take the Fourier transform small x of n, we get capital X. We get capital X e power j omega. In that capital X e power j omega, replace omega equal to 0. Then get the answer. So first problem, we know formula. Fourier transform of x of n is x of capital X of e power j omega. That equal to summation n equal to minus into plus 20 x of n e power minus j omega n. They are asking capital X of e power j omega. Now put omega equal to 0 on both sides. You will get capital X of e power j 0. That equal to summation n equal to minus into plus into capital X of small x of n e power minus j n 0. This entire one will become 1. Then n equal to minus into plus into x of n. But this is general formula, n varies from minus infinity plus infinity. But in the given problem, the n, for x of n, the n is available from -3 to +3. So I am going to change the summation now. -3 to +3 x of n. Replace n equal to -3, x of -3. When n equal to -3, x of -3 value is, when n equal to -3, x of -3 value is -1. When n equal to -2, x of -2 value is 2. N equal to -1, x of -1 value is 2. If you add all this, you will get a capital X of e power j0 is equal to 5. Second problem, they asked integral -pi to +pi capital X of e power j omega t omega. This is nothing but this a formula will get derived from inverse DTFT. We know the inverse DTFT of capital X of e power j omega is equal to small x of n, that equal to 1 by 2 pi minus pi to plus pi, integral minus pi to plus pi capital X of e power j omega n d omega. They are asking anyway I am going to send this 1 by 2 pi to the left side, then we get 2 pi x of n, this one. So put n equal to 0 on both sides, you will get 2 pi x of 0 minus pi to pi capital X of e power j omega into 0 d omega. Why I am taking n equal to 0 means they asked integral minus pi to plus pi capital X of e power j omega d omega. If we want this one from the formula, you have to send 2 pi to the left side and replace n equal to 0. Then we will get this formula or this problem. So that equal to 2 pi into x of 0. When n equal to 0, x of 0 value is 1 from the graph. So 2 pi into 1 is 2 pi. Third one, there are some capital X of e power j pi. That means when omega equal to pi, what is the capital X of e power j pi? General formula, e power minus j omega n, replace omega equal to pi, capital X of e power j pi equal to summation n equal to minus pi to plus pi x of n e power minus j omega equal to pi n. Now the summation, the given problem, the n varies from -3 to +3. That's why I am changing minus into plus infinity as a -3 to +3 x of n. Now replace n value, when n equal to -3, x of -3 e power minus j pi into -3 it will become plus. So e power j 3 pi x of, when n equal to 2, x of -2 e power 2 pi j, like that. But we know e power 2 pi I is nothing but e power j into 0. 2 pi is nothing but 0 degree. We can take this entire one as a e power 0 is 1. E power j pi is nothing but a cos pi plus I sin pi. Sin pi is 0, cos pi is a -1. So e power j pi is nothing but -1. Similarly, e power 3 j pi, we can write this one as a e power 2 j pi into e power j pi. E power 2 j pi is 1, and e power j pi is minus 1, totally you will get minus 1. If you add all this one, you will get answer as a x of e power j pi as a 1. Last one, for last problem, they are asking find the integral minus pi to plus pi mod x of e power j omega whole square d omega. This is question is from Parsevals theorem. Parsevals theorem formula summation n equal to minus infinity plus infinity mod x of n whole square is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to pi capital X of e power j omega mod whole square d omega. They are asking won't this part means send this 1 by 2 pi to the left side, then we will get the left side is equal to 2 pi into summation n equal to minus infinity plus infinity mod x of n whole square. Now, but in the given sequence the n varies from minus 3 to plus 3. I replaced n equal to minus 3 plus 3. Now this is nothing but 2 pi into when n equal to minus 3 x of minus 3 whole square, that means x of minus 3 and mod x of minus 3 whole square, replace that value, replace x of minus 2 value, then square, replace x of minus 1 value, then square, replace x of 0 square. If you replace all this value, you will get 2 pi into 13, that equal to 26 into pi. Thank you.